Welcome back to the Formerly Known Show. Here is the next WWE trading cards box. If you haven't checked them out, I have a few other wrestling card unboxings on the channel. So go ahead, check those out whenever you feel. There's going to be 10 packs plus 1 pack with the relic. The relic can either be a matte relic, an autograph relic, or can't remember what else. Oh, the film cell relic. To start out, we have Aaliyah, Molly Holly, Johnny Gargano refractor, Sonya Deville. First action card, Robbie Roode, and another action. Action Batista. Action Dexter Loomis. An action Isaiah Swerve Scott. Another action card. I think it's the 6th or 7th pack in that the relic's in, so got a few to go through before we get to the relic. Bianca Belair. Action The Miz. Is that an action card or is that? No, alright. Action card, British Bulldog, Asuka, Rob Van Dam. Reggie. Action, Eva Marie, Nikki Ash, refractor. Scarlett. Ooh, that Scarlett is a 17 out of 50. That's a good one. Good little hit. Baron Corbin. Actions. Charlotte Flair. Here's the RKO card. Clearing the airspace. Action. Goldberg wins the Universal Championship. Is this a special kind of, or is this just action card? I think it's just an action card. Ricochet and an action card. Action card. Finn Balor. I love that guy. Hall of Fame 2020. Icon versus Icon. The Rock versus Hulk Hogan. WrestleMania 18. That's a nice one. Otis defeated Dolph Ziggler, refractor. That's just an action. Nia Jax. Another action. And Lacey Evans. So we should be coming up to the relic, whatever the relic is. After the action, Walter. He just changed his name to something else, but it's no longer Walter. Action. Coolest tag teams. Mixed tag teams. Jimmy Uso and Naomi. Action. Drew Gulak. Oh, this feels like a relic. Here we go. What is it? Oh, Undertaker versus Shawn Michaels. No way. Yes, my favorite wrestler, Undertaker. You now own a commemorative match film strip relic. It doesn't say what the odds are to get it. That's awesome, though. I was hoping for an Undertaker relic. Alright, let's get through these. Pete Dunne. Action. Tamina. Candice LeRae. Mansoor. Xavier Woods. Action. We have 2 more packs to go through. And that's it for this box. Action. Roman Reigns. Action. We got a memorable entrances. Bobby the Brain Heenan. That's a cool one. Sasha Banks. An action. Ember Moon. And now the final pack. Liv Morgan. Action Roderick Strong. Ooh, Alexa Bliss. Action Samoa Joe. And that would be it. So we have the 17 out of 50 card. The memorable entrance. Coolest mixed tag teams. Here's our special RKO card. Then the Hall of Fame Icon versus Icon. And my number one favorite card here, Undertaker v. Shawn Michaels. So hopefully I'll find some more of these boxes, pick some more up, and do some more unboxings. But for now, thanks for watching.